Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So this is Nasdaq 100, right? We all talked about a bearish move, which we have actually gotten. Now, before we get started, right? If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So this Nasdaq 100, we're actually expecting a bearish move for the day, which is 29. Guess what? We actually added that bearish move. So we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. But before that, we'll be able to see where the price will be moving for the day's day. Let's quickly do a recap on this trend on Nasdaq 100. If you have to zoom it out, right, you know that this trend is a bearish move. Nasdaq 100 is going bearish. But as of recent now, we are seeing a bullish move. One of the reasons we are having a bullish move on this Nasdaq 100, we all know, is because we are having a fall on our DXY or USD index. There's kind of like a correlation between DXY or USD index and this Nasdaq 100, that is that once there's a bullish move on this our DXY or USD index, we tend to see a drop or a fall on our Nasdaq 100. But once there's a drop on DXY or USD index, then Nasdaq 100 tends to go bullish. So one of the reasons why we're having this bullish move is because there's a bearish move on DXY. So we can take a look at this as an ice. Here comes a correction. Here is the highs, and guess what? Price kind of give us like a pullback, so we should be expecting a highs, but guess what? Price actually dropped, which I actually talked about, right? Now the reason why we actually added this drop to test this level is that price has once reacted to this level previously. Now this is it here. This place was once our support level, especially on the once our resistance level, sorry, especially on a 4 hour time frame. If you are following consistently, you would have known. You see that once price reacted to this level, it dropped. We saw price came to the same level again, reacted to it and dropped. We saw price came to the same level, reacted to it, dropped, came up again to this level, reacted to it. So this is one of the reasons why we highlighted this level and we take it as our resistance level. Then once this price drop again, we tend to see it react to this level, which is support level, and go up. We tend to see it again drop to this support level, react and go up. So price kind of range was ranging within this level. So we all know that once price breaks out of a ranging market move, price must definitely give us a pullback to test that level. This is it now. We see that price has once been ranging within support and resistance level. Then price kind of break above our resistance level, right? Guess what we had next? A pullback was made on Nasdaq 100. So this is one of the reasons why we had a pullback on this Nasdaq 100. So when price came back again, price has given us a drop to test this level. So there's heavy possibility or probability that our Nasdaq 100 will continue to give us that bullish move. Though it depends on how our USD index or DXY plays out. So that should now take us to the 4 hour time frame to understand this movement. So once you take a look at this 4 hour time frame, right, you know that we are kind of that this is kind of like a range market move on the 4 hour time frame. Reason why I highlighted this up level, which will be taken as our resistance level, is that we saw price came to the same level again. We saw it dropped, came it kind of come to this level, dropped. We saw it came to this level, reacted to it. Kind of like a little bit of a breakout, which we can consider as a false breakout. Then price dropped to this level. We can take a look at it. Price reacted here, it went up. Price came to this same level again, it reacted and it went up. So we also talked about on the 29 that we would expect price to actually drop to this same support level. I know most of you should have been able to grab a lot. Guess what? Not only does price came to this support level, it actually broke below it. So this is an indication that this Nasdaq 100 wants to start giving us a bearish move. But this price will only reverse and go up if we have a bearish move on DXY. So this is the DXY now. So this is the DXY, right? You can see this lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we can see this as a lows. Here would be the correction, and we would consider this as a lows, new lows, right? Here comes the correction. Guess what we had again? Another drop. So we should expect a correction here. So if this correction is over like this, right, then we should expect a drop on DXY. So as this DXY or USD index will be giving us a drop, then just know that or watch out for this Nasdaq 100, that this Nasdaq 100 will actually push up. Now this is it on DXY on the 4 hour time frame, which is not visible. So this is it on the 4 hour time frame. So this is it, right? We can see that this price is kind of ranging within this level, right? You can also take a look at this level below, which will take this level on the 4 hour time frame as support and resistance, right? You can see that this price came to this resistance level, it dropped to this support level, came to this resistance level again. You kind of see like a false breakout, a little bit of a false breakout here. Then you saw this price get to this support level. Now we are seeing it go up to this resistance level. So we should see it go bullish a little bit. Once it hits this resistance level, then we're expecting a drop on this DXY. So once this DXY goes bullish a little bit, then we're expecting a drop a little bit on NASDAQ 100. Then once this DXY, just watch out. You just all you just have to do is just watch out for USD index or DXY. Once this DXY or USD index is giving us that bearish move, it is not a much it actually comes to this resistance level. We can start having this bearish move as at this level. Yeah, we can start having this bearish move. So once this DXY or USD index starts giving us this bearish move, all you just have to do on NASDAQ 100 is to actually go bullish. So the thing, all you just have to do is to go bullish. So what I'll tell you is that watch out for USD index or DXY. So once the price is going a certain way, then go opposite on your NASDAQ 100. So once this DXY is dropping, then go opposite on NASDAQ 100 by going bullish. But once this DXY continues to go bullish, all you just have to do on NASDAQ 100 is to actually sell. So NASDAQ 100, this is still like a bearish move. We should expect a little bit of a drop before we go bullish for the next day.